We have a near new, beautiful 2023 Stejcraft SS64. It's equipped with a 200 Mercruiser engine. It's only got 51 hours. Engine has the balance of warranty. This boat is an extremely stylish boat with all the features you would want for a beautiful day on the water. Let's get into it and have a look. All right, starting from the bow, we have anchor roller with plow anchor and windlass. Not very often you see a windlass on a boat of this size. Great feature to have, makes anchoring hassle-free. Gel coat shows really nice. Just a hint of oxidization on the black, but no major scratches, gouges, or blemishes. It shows super well. Nice big bimini that covers the entire cockpit. It's got your fluid core tower. This boat is loaded with sea deck flooring throughout. On the transom, you've got a telescopic swim ladder. This does have the stainless steel 3-blade prop. Really nice styling with the black and blue sea deck matting. Upholstery shows perfect on the sun deck. The port side storage compartment does flip up for a backrest. So you've got a nice walkthrough, saves your upholstery, L-shaped seating on the port side, and then a single seat on the starboard side. Swivel seating in the cockpit, and a really nice stylish dash. Beautiful upholstery on this boat. It's got a nice combination of gunmetal upholstery as well as carbon fiber black. Really nice styling. Nice black gel coat on the dash, carbon fiber stitched upholstery all the way around, and then full instrumentation. You've got your Jensen 4-speaker sound system. It's got coaxials as well as courtesy lights throughout the interior of the boat. Full instrumentation. You've got your Mercruiser SmartCraft gauges with the digital windows, so you can cycle through your functions, your engine reads, water temp, and so on. You've got your Lowrance HDS7 for navigation, so a 7-inch screen. Really handy feature here on the Gold Coast where the waterways, the banks do change regularly. Moving on up, inside the walkthrough, sea deck on both sides of the walkthrough. Really nice setup. You've got your air dam in the middle, and there is a cockpit table that mounts both at the bow as well as at the rear bench seating. In the bow, everything shows to be in beautiful condition. Upholstery's near perfect. There is just a little nick right there. Other than that, boat shows absolutely beautifully. It's almost flawless. Moving on back. Now for the muscle, this has a beautiful Mercruiser 4.5 liter, 200 horsepower. It is gleaming. Really nice, tidy engine. And in addition, we have a large drum winch for your anchor windlass. Just an awesome setup, makes anchoring a breeze. So as you can see, this Stejcraft is a near new boat, just broken in with 50 hours, super flash, absolutely a styling boat. If you're interested in this boat, give me a call, Patrick, at 0427-162-749, or you can email me at patrick@coastalboatsales.com.au.